Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about integers. What are integers and how to represent the integers on the number line and how to arrange the integers in descending order as well as in ascending order. Okay, we already know that this is a number line, right? In this number line, suppose if we add any integer, we add any positive integer. So we already know which are the positive integers. From 0 to right side, we have all the positive integers. From 0 to left side, we have all the negative integers, right? If we add positive integer, we have to move if we add positive integer to any integer, we have to move right side. We have to move right side. For example, that means one integer is there. This is plus 2, right? If we add plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2, a positive integer plus 3 plus 3. 2 is a positive integer. We are adding a positive integer. We are adding a positive integer. That means we have to move to the right. 2. Here, how much we have to move? 3 units. That is 1, 2, 3. This is 3. So this integer is 5. This is 2 plus 3 is 5. You can understand? When we add a positive integer to any integer, we have to move to the right side. Okay? In the same way, if we add adding a negative integer, we have to move left side. We have to move left side. That means one positive integer is there. Suppose minus 1. Minus 1. We are adding again. We are adding. That is important. We are adding a positive integer. We are adding a positive integer. Which integer we are adding? Adding a negative integer. Minus 1 is there. We are adding a negative integer. That means we have to put the bracket minus 2. Minus 2. Here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 is there. We are adding a negative integer. If we add minus 2 to minus 1, we have to move left side. We have to move left side. How much we have to move? 1. This is 2. That means adding a negative integer to any integer, we have to move left side. Suppose we are adding here, we are adding a negative integer minus 2. Minus 2. We are adding a negative integer to 4. We have to move left side. That means 3 after 2. We have to move left side. That means 4. We are adding a negative integer minus 2. We will get, what do you get? plus 2 we are getting. Do you understand? When we add any positive integer to any given integer, we have to move right side. If we add any negative integer, we have to move to the left side. This is in case of addition. Case of addition. Let's see what will happen in case of subtraction. Subtracting. Okay. Positive integer. Subtracting a positive integer, we move left side. We move left side. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಸಪೋಸ್ +3 ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಎಂತ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. +2 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. We have to move to the left. For example, if 3 ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. +2 ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. This is not the operation sign. This is what we are subtracting here. This is what we are subtracting here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ, +3 ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. 2 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ. This is 1, this is 2, +1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So the value of +3 minus of +2 is +1. +1. You understand? In the same way, subtracting a negative integer. Subtracting a negative integer. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we have to move to the right side. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಇದೆ, -3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಯಾವ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. -3 ಇದೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? -2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ 1 2, this is -1. We get the value -1. Did you understand? Again I will repeat. Listen carefully. ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಒಂದು 3 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ 2. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. 5 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ 5 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇತ್ತು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 5 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is positive integer 7. You understand? In the same way, ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. ಅದೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ +2 ಇತ್ತು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 5. Here we got -3. minus 3 ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ so this is in case of addition ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ get it next subtraction plus 4 ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇತ್ತು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ 1 is 2 ರೈಟ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 this is plus 2 you understand so ಅದೇ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1 ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಂತ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಲೆಟ್ us know how to do addition and subtraction add the following integers ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this multiplication sign you have to know plus multiplied to plus is plus multiplication of positive with positive we get positive okay multiplication of positive and negative is negative multiplication of negative with positive is negative multiplication of negative with negative is negative ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ to remove the bracket remove ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇರಬೇಕು you understand ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ನ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ multiplied to negative is positive okay so in only two cases we get positive when we have same sign ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ whether it is plus or minus plus into plus is plus minus into minus is also plus same like signs ಇದ್ದಾಗ positive ಬರುತ್ತೆ when we have opposite sign so what is the opposite of plus minus right when we have opposite sign ಇದ್ದಾಗ negative ಬರುತ್ತೆ did you understand first one 3 that is plus 3 and plus 9 these two are the integers what we have to do we have to add so plus 3 and plus 9 we are going to add this is the operation symbol addition symbol. Again we have to write plus 9. We have to put the bracket after this. After this operation sign, we have to put the bracket. In case of addition, let's see, plus 3. Here we have to use this concept. Plus into plus is plus. So plus multiplied to plus is, when we have same sign, we get plus again, right? 9. Here we have to add, okay? When we have same sign, multiplication symbol, this is the multiplication symbol, right? So to remove the bracket, we use that concept, right? Plus into plus is plus. We don't have multiplication sign here now. We have to add. When we have same sign, we will add with the same sign. So plus the integer 3 and 9 have the same sign. Therefore, we put plus 3 plus 9 is 12. You understand? Okay. Let's see one more example. Plus 7 and minus 4. Plus 7 and minus 4. So here also we can write plus 7 as it is. We are adding, plus we have to put. So which one we are adding? Minus 4 we are adding. Minus 4 we are adding. Okay? Plus 7 as it is. We have to remove the bracket. Bracket means this is the multiplication sign. Multiplication sign. We have to remove this. To remove, we have to multiply the sign. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus 4. Minus 4. We have removed the multiplication sign. Next we have, what we have to do? We have to do a subtraction here. We have to do subtraction because when the integers or when the numbers have opposite sign, we have to subtract. Okay? 7 minus 4 is 3. We have to subtract from a larger number, right? 7 minus 4 is 3. So the greater number having plus sign, we will write plus here. Did you understand? 7 minus 4 is 3. The greater number is having 7 is having plus. So therefore, we will write plus here. Let's see one more example. Minus 5 and minus 6. Minus 5 and minus 6 we have to add. In the first case, what we have observed, both the integers are positive. In the second case, what we have observed, so one is positive, another one is negative. In this case, both the integers are negative, but we have to do addition. We have to do addition, that minus 5 addition we have to do now. Minus 5 right as it is. Addition means plus. We have to put the bracket. So minus 6 minus 5 as it is. And write minus 5 as it is. We have to do anything. So we have to remove the bracket. Plus into minus is plus into minus is minus 6. Here what we have to do? We have to do addition. We have to do addition. Addition we will do in case of, in two cases. That is when we have same sign. Whether it is plus, whether it is minus. Plus 2 and plus 3. Plus 2 and plus 3. These 2 and 3 have the same sign. We'll write plus 5. Minus 2 and minus 3. Again we have same sign. That sign only we will write. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the difference between the positive and negative. In both positive and negative integers will add, but the sign will differ. Addition we will do Here, both the integers have same sign. Is it not? Both the integers are same sign. So therefore, we have to put that sign. 5 plus 6 is 11. When we have opposite sign, we have to subtract. Next, let's see one more example here. Plus 2 and minus 8. Plus 2 and minus 8. This is a positive integer and this is a negative integer, right? What you have to do? Addition. Plus 2 we will write as it is. So addition symbol we will write. After that we have to put the bracket. So after that we have to write minus 8, negative integer. So plus 2. Then what we have to do? We have to remove the bracket. Plus into minus is plus into minus is minus 8. Then we have opposite sign to these two integers. Then we have to do subtraction. 8 minus 2. From greater number we have to subtract a lesser number, right? 8 minus 2 is 6. Sign, whatever sign, greater number sign. So greater number is 8. That is having a minus sign. So therefore it is minus 6. Here, this is how we have to add the integers. Let's see subtraction. Subtraction. Okay? Subtract the following integers. Subtract the following integers. First one, minus 2 and minus 6 are taken both the negative integers. Okay? In the same way, minus 2 will write as it is, but will not write plus here because we are subtracting. This is the operational sign. Sorry, subtracting. No, we are subtracting. We will write minus operational sign of minus 6. Of minus 6, minus 2 will write as it is. We have to remove the bracket. Minus into minus is plus 6. When we have opposite sign, what we will do? We will do subtraction. 6 minus 2 is 4. Which type of 4? Positive 4. Okay. Next, one more example we will do. Let's take a positive integer plus 10 and a negative integer minus 3. Okay. So plus 10 minus, why we are writing minus? This is the operation symbol, subtracting, therefore put minus sign of minus 3 plus 10 minus of minus 3. This is the multiplication symbol. So plus 10 we can write as it is. Minus of minus is minus of minus is plus 3 we will write. Clear? 10 plus both are having positive sign. We put positive sign. 10 plus 3 is 13. So we have did the subtraction and two integers are negative and one integer is positive and another one is negative. Let's see one more example. Plus 8 and plus 2 plus 8 and plus 2 plus 8 will write as it is. Subtract, will put minus of which number we have to subtract? Plus 2, write plus 2. Okay, plus 8 as it is. The minus into plus is minus into plus is minus 2 is equal to plus into minus is plus and minus. We have plus and minus here. That means opposite signs. What we have to do? Subtraction, right? So plus we will write. Why should we write plus here? Because greater number sign. 8 minus 2 is 6. Did you understand? This is how we have to do subtraction of integers. Well friends, up to here we have did addition and subtraction by using number line and without number line.